Hello students, today I am going to discuss problem number 34 of H C Verma, chapter 3rd, rest and motion kinematics. In this question actually the distances are given in yards and feet, so that's not a big problem. In lots of problems you will find this. And further, here the problem is shown in the diagram. There is a football to be kicked and AB is the goal post. Height of the goal post is 10 feet and the distance is 40 yards. Look here, it is 40 yards, right? Which is equals to 120 feet, right? And the height is 10 feet. Speed by which it will be kicked 64 feet per second and theta 45 degree. Now the question was ki will the ball reach? Now we have the practical situation that if ball reaches travels horizontal distance 120, and at that moment if the vertical distance is between 0 to 10 feet, whatever, if it is less than 0, which is not possible, negative, and greater than 10, then it won't enter into the goal post. I draw completely this kind of goal post is there. Now if ball goes in this way, it won't go in the goal post, and if it reaches before it, then also, right? So there are solutions given in lots of resources, but I don't prefer that. I prefer simply straight one for equation. I hope you know the equation of trajectory, that y equals to x tan theta minus gx square by 2 u square cos square theta. Very clear. Now our requirement is the y should be between 0 to 10. Now in this equation RHS, everything is given. In our case, x is what, 120 feet, theta above there 45 degree, g in feet when we write, then it is 32.2 feet per second square. So I advise to memorize value of g in feet per second square, that is 32.2 feet per second square, right? Now I put the values in the equations. Y equals to 120 is 1045 minus 32.2 into 120 square. I'm just putting the values and making calculation. The calculation comes 6.8 feet. That means when there is x 120, y is 6.8, and that is between 0 to 10. Then the answer given in the book is yes, definitely. In this case the ball will enter into the goal post. Got it?